Everywhere the situation is really very pandemic and we all are in the fear, स्पेशली जिस तरीके से ऑक्सीजन के लिए लोगों का डेथ हो रहा है, पीपल आर जस्ट रियली आस्किंग एंड दे आर लिटरली हेल्पलेस हैं। वैसे मैं सोच क्यों नहीं एक ऐसे टॉपिक के साथ आऊँ जो शायद बहुत हेल्पफुल हो, आई माइट बी मेनी ऑफ यू माइट बी अवेयर ऑफ कि जनरली व्हाट हैपन, ऑक्सीजन लेवल क्यों कम हो जाता है, कैसे कम होता है, इस पे हम डिस्कशन ना करके लेट अस टू जस्ट नो द एक्चुअली वे हाउ यू कैन इम्प्रूव योर ऑक्सीजन लेवल। उसके लिए तो खाना खाना, बहुत अच्छा खाना खाना बहुत ज़रूरी है, लाइक द फूड स्पेशली द वेजिटेबल्स, स्पिनच, then broccoli, then lot of water you should drink, then badam, and as much as green leafy vegetable you can consume, that's very very good. What happens with this, automatically your oxygen level will be maintained very good in your body. First of all, food habit is very important. Please, if you are still eating junk food and you are loving bakery and all, please kindly stop. At least don't eat now these days, and guide your family members also, your friends also, not to just have. This is the first thing you have to do. And let me to tell that more four things which you have to do, that you need to understand how we have to do. And surely if you take this precaution, if you are doing now these days at your home, please guide your family, friends, your family, your kids to just do that. क्योंकि अभी सिचुएशन ऐसा है, अगर हम एक दूसरे की हेल्प नहीं करते हैं तो हम सच में जब हमको ज़रूरत होगा तो हमारी भी कोई हेल्प नहीं करेगा. So let us just understand how you have to improve your oxygen level. Do these practices every day so that you can improve it. So let me to tell how you have to do it. The first very important thing is steaming. So how you have to do the steaming? You need to add neem leaves and ginger and boil this water. Once you find that the steam is coming up, that time you have to inhale with this at least 5 to 10 minutes. Is one of the best way to increase oxygen level. So just try it as much as possible, at least minimum twice in a day. And the very important thing, the second tips, that is you should focus on meditation. That's very 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 important for you, because when we do the meditation, we focus on breathe, we focus on inhaling and exhaling. So at least try to do 15 to 20 minutes. You will find marvelous changes in your oxygen level. As we have heard about pranayama, there is one of the pranayama which is very good for increasing oxygen level in your body. That is Bhastrika. So what you have to do, inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. You should fasten up this. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. At least do for the 5 minutes. It's one of the best pranayam to increase your oxygen level. And the second pranayama, which is we used to say Hatha Yoga, very important one, Kapalbhati, where you have to deep inhale first, then only exhale. Only exhale. Only exhale. Only exhale. Only exhale. This also just do for the 5 minutes to increase your oxygen level. Now the third one, that is very very important. Just make your hands straight, make proper fist, then only inhale and exhale. Inhale, 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 exhale. Like this way you have to do it for the 5 minutes, 3 to 5 rounds. That will increase your oxygen level. Now the third, which is asana, which is very important, that is Bhujangasana. Just inhale and go back. Hold this posture. Hold this posture. Then while exhaling, come down. Again inhale. Go back. Hold this posture. And come back. It's excellent for increasing your oxygen level. Now the second asana, which is we used to call Makarasana. You can just be on this posture and inhale, exhale, and just move your leg. Your chest should touch to the floor. Might be we have seen many videos, we have many doctors have told that you should lie down on your chest. So if you do this asana while performing good inhaling, exhaling with movement of your leg, it will increase your oxygen level. So share all these things to your family members, to your friends, to be at home, to be safe, and be healthy. So whatever we have shown right now, trust me, many people have seen marvelous changes, and it has been proved. The person who is doing the yoga, the person who is doing the pranayama, the person who is doing the meditation and eating the right food, they are not facing this problem. And it's supposed to be they have got COVID and corona, they won't be having this problem of breathing and all. So trust me, please, as soon as possible, be safe at home. Try to do these things. This pranayama, excellent actually, since ages people are our yogis, rishi munis, they are teaching this, and many people have been benefited. And the things what how you have to inhale, रियली नीम हम जब उगादी करते हैं या तो कोई भी हमारे हिंदू धर्म में या एनी रिलीजन, यू विल बी ऑलवेज फाइंडिंग द नीम इज़ हैविंग बहुत ज़्यादा बेनिफिट है. So try to inhale from this neem leaves as much as possible, at least twice in a day. You just try to do it. If anyone is suffering and they are at home, please ask them to at least 4 to 5 times they should follow it. You will find marvelous changes in that also. And the exercise, the asana which I have told, and you can follow even in many news channel also, even many Astha channel, and just they are guiding how you have to do and how you have to improve your oxygen level. So be safe at home. Please try to spread this type of positive messages to the people instead of that death, how many deaths are happening, these type of negativity is not required right now. As much as we believe in the God, as much as we trust him, as much as we follow some yama niyama means you should have your rules for your life, how you should lead, how you should be disciplined, what you should do. So please follow all these things, and I'm sure that this situation, this time has to go very soon. But before that, we all have to just follow the things which we should must do it. So thank you so much to everyone.